Hello everyone, my name is Eva Chen, and I am so proud to work at Foodchem. As a senior sales manager, I'm thrilled to start a new chapter in my life. Managing time and working across different time zones is the most challenging part of my job. I start and end each day by updating my to-do list, ensuring that I wouldn't miss any important tasks. This role offers me exciting opportunities to meet business professionals from Europe, America, the Middle East, and Asia, who bring diverse experience and expertise. Interacting with them has a positive impact on me, both culturally and professionally. When it comes to my work, paying attention to details and serving wholehearted is essential. Personally, inspecting samples, specifications, and specific parameters hold great significance. During sample testing, if customers have any questions, I will work with the R&D team to find the best solutions. Whenever possible, I visit the production line and the workshop to understand the production process. I also check shipping marks, packing information, pallet progress, and transportation arrangements to ensure orders meet customer requirements. Quality control and time delivery are fundamental aspects of my work. In my spare time, I love the traditional Chinese tea culture as it provides moments of relaxation and peace in my busy schedule. The Chinese tea ceremony emphasizes a calm and natural state, focusing on details and savoring their flavors to soothe the mind. Among various tea types like green, white, yellow, oolong, and black, I particularly enjoy the rich and smooth taste of black tea. Black tea has already become an integral part of my leisure time. I also value spending quality time with my friends. Inspired by the historic China Southwest tea trade along the Silk Road, I found the parallels in my own work, where I strive to promote Chinese food and the ingredients for the success of others. Our ingredients, your success.